topic for today is sequence. We have many types of sequence. Arithmetic sequence, geometric sequence, harmonic sequence, number under the special number, square number, cube number, Fibonacci sequence, triangular number sequence, and Pascal's triangle. But for today, I will teach you how to do arithmetic sequence. Good day everyone! I'm here to do arithmetic sequence. First of all, arithmetic sequence is a pattern made by adding number to the last number. The formula of arithmetic sequence is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. Sequence is the sum of first term up to the last term of the sequence. And here's the formula. Sub 100 equals 100, the quantity of 1 plus 100 over 2. We will use cross multiplication. 50 times 101 equals 5050. A numbers between two numbers in a sequence is called arithmetic means. Substitute the given in the formula of arithmetic sequence. We will now solve the arithmetic means. Find the three means between 15 and 31. Substitute the given number to the formula. 31 equals 15 plus the quantity of 5 minus 1 times d. We will transpose 15 to the left side, so now 15 is negative. 31 minus 15 equals the quantity of 5 minus 1 times d. 16 equals 4d. Divide both sides by 4. So D equals 4. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. We can use arithmetic sequence in our life too. We can use it by being thrifty, nature in the form of petals of flower, the way they grow, waves generating, most growing patterns. In short, in the growing phases, we can see the progression. Today, everyone, our topic for today is sequence. We have many types of sequence. This is arithmetic sequence, geometric. Hey everyone, our topic for today is sequence. We have many types of sequence. This is arithmetic sequence, geometric sequence. Hey everyone, our topic for today is sequence. We have many types of sequence. Arithmetic sequence, geometric sequence, harmonic sequence, second sequence.
At Juday